How to deposit money on TrustWallet. If you want to deposit money on TrustWallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TrustWallet application over here and just make sure to sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, these are the interface that you will see over here. Right now, let's say that you want to go ahead and then deposit some kind of money to it. So let me just go ahead and then close it again and then just launch the TrustWallet application right again here. Once I launch, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Here you can see send option, buy option. Now to deposit money, what it usually does is that you can try to buy a certain crypto. When you're asked to buy a certain crypto, you have to fill in your payment method, right? So depending upon how much money you want to deposit, you can just enter $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And once you've done that, you'll be able to connect your account and then you can choose your payment method and then basically go ahead and then deposit the required amount of money. This way you'll be able to deposit money to TrustWallet. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.